So we're going to be doing Cubism portraits in the style of Pablo Picasso. So you guys are going to make exaggerated eyes, okay? So you can start by doing like an eye. And let's call these self-portraits. So I'm going to do a giant eye because I have great big eyes. But your eye is not going to line up with your other eye, okay? So you might have an eye that goes straight, then you might have another eye that goes to the side. And you might have one dilated pupil and the other one that's not, and one jagged eyelashes and the other one that's not, okay?
Poor.
All right? So your nose might actually be a profile nose versus a, what is a profile?
Cartoon nose.
A profile would be a to the side versus a straight looking straight at the camera, okay, or straight out. All right. Do you guys understand? All right. Your smile, you could also have a profile smile. All right. Then,
What?
all right.
I don't get it.
Then, this is very abstract.
I know.
Okay. Then you might have your hair going one way and have it long. And then you may say, hey, I want to have my hair curly on the other side.
Oh.
I've done that with my sisters before.
Okay. You also may decide that you want to have your hand on a cheek. Okay. And then on the other side, not have a hand, but have maybe a shoulder. Okay?
This looks like when I try to draw.
All right.
It looks like he's saying, no. Can't do
Yeah.
that.
All right. Now, okay. So let's say that this, and you might have a, let's say you have a foot here with a shoelace. Okay?
Very good.
Okay? And then let's say you have a collar over here with a button.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Why is the head so big?
It's abstract.
Okay? It's very abstract. And you have some wrinkles.
It's super.
Okay? And then you have a chin.
It's super.
Oh, so that's like you in like 30 years.
Yeah.
I was about to say, if you're saying her now, then oh my God, I will.
Okay, so let me show you about paint. So I used a watercolor pencil to draw it out so I wouldn't have pencil marks because we like to blend everything together. So this isn't it's not water paint, is it? What is it?
Watercolor.
Watercolor.
Color,
Very
yeah.
good. Okay, so we like to start with a light color versus a dark color because we can always darken the paint versus lighten a darker color. So with watercolor paint, you have transparency, right? It's very transparent, not like acrylic paint, which is opaque, right?
Thick.
Okay, do you guys know the difference between opaque and transparent?
Yes, we learned in science.
This year?
Opaque is where let me fix.
You had a test on those words?
Opaque means we can't.
We have a test. It's really simple.
When it's transparent.
I got 100 on it.
One person at a time.
Okay, so tell me the definition of opaque.
It's something.
Okay,
Like it's blotted and cast a shadow.
okay. So is milk opaque or transparent?
It's opaque.
Opaque.
Opaque. So what is? It's all right. It's all right. So
a freckle.
what is? Listen. What is transparent?
Where you can see through it.
Yes.
When you can see through it, light travels through it.
Right. So watercolor paint is the properties of watercolor paint allow things to be seen, like you can see through that. So you see how you can see the line through it that I drew? Okay. All right, so the less water I add, the
More transparent.
the darker or more intense the color, okay? Or hue. Hue is another word for what?
Opaque. Transparent.
Remember that?
Opaque.
Did we talk about hue? The word hue also means what?
Misuse.
No.
Oh wait, no.
Hue also means what? Color?
I guess.
Yes, it also means color. So, if I'm using orange and yellow.
That's good.
What color scheme is this?
Orange.
I forgot what it's called.
Complementing.
No,
I don't know.
it's beside each other, so that's what?
I forgot what it's
Analogous?
called. Yeah.
Analogous. Oh.
Right. If I'm using colors that are across from each other, what is that called?
Oh, what?
No.
That's the other one.
Complementary?
Complement.
Okay, if I'm using colors,
give me this
if I'm using colors mixed with white and black, what is that? Is that
20%
Monologue.
battery.
monochromatic?
She's not.
Okay, so
20% battery.
do you guys understand what we're doing?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so Picasso also used things like patterns. Do you see how he added polka dots?
Yep.
Okay, is polka dots a pattern?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, do you see how he used lines?
Yep.
Are lines a pattern?
Yeah.
Yeah, stripes. All right, just look at the background. Look at the, is this plaid?
Yeah.
Is plaid a pattern?
Uh-huh.
All right, so whenever you create your composition, do you think you should create also a background with a pattern?
Yes.
Yes. So look at how he has a doorknob, a shutter, also other things in the picture. What else do y'all see?
That's it.
So you have bright colors on the figure, but look at the background. Are those neutral colors?
They're dark.
Dark, which is also, look, it's one color, one theme or color, and they're black, okay, or white, which is what? Are those neutral colors? Yes. Okay. Do you guys understand the project? Right. Okay. No, it's not hard.
It's not hard, Haley.
Now, why are we doing this project? Because we're looking at Hispanic artists
Hispanic artist.
for Hispanic Heritage Month.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, and Picasso was from what country?
Spain.
Spain.
Era de Spain. Era de Spain.
Okay.
Era
Okay.
Germany.